Hello and welcome again to another edition of our Big Bike Parts Media channel. We're here today with Showchrome Accessories to discuss brand new peg options for the 2001 to 2017 model Goldwings, including the 2018 and newer Goldwing. If you're looking for a larger footrest, the mini board shown installed in this 2018 Goldwing features a 4-inch by 4-inch platform, again with the anti-vibration rubber. Both of these feature the high luster chrome as well as the anti-rotation serrations on the end of the peg that allow you to adjust the angle at which it sits at on the motorcycle. If you have any further questions, please feel free to look us up online at www.bigbikeparts.com. While you're there, please check out the dealer locator section. You can also give us a phone call at 888-BIG-BIKE. And be sure to like us on Facebook to stay up on all the new items. Again, thank you for watching and safe riding.